Hi! In this video I will show you how to create your own keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro. Go to Edit, and down to Keyboard Shortcuts. Here you can see all commands that works. For example, Razor tool has the shortcut C on my PC. So if I press OK and go to my timeline, I press the C and the Razor tool is activated. Go back to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts. You can easily create your own shortcut for the Razor tool. Just click here on the right and press, for example, Ctrl 5 on your keyboard. Now you have two commands for the same function. But if I press P, then you can see that this shortcut is already used by the pen tool. That command will no longer have a shortcut. Then I delete this new shortcut and put back the P to the pen tool. You can also drag this function to one gray key up here. Now you have these keyboard shortcuts for the Razor tool. You can also search for a specific function, for example, full screen. Toggle full screen. For me, F3 is gray and available. Drag this command up to the F3 button and press OK. Press F3. And that's it. Good luck!
Thank you for watching this video. If you got the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.